sometimes we're just gonna have bad, hard days.
Be careful with your language.
Yeah, I wish we would. There we go. That's a pretty good fish, man. Man, maybe they are in here.
To not say anything bad.
Yeah. It's a pretty good. That's a chunky little dude. Smokes, man. 1 pound 6 ounces. Oh, sorry, buddy. 1 pound 6 ounces. This is a chunky dude, man. Some nice fillets on that guy. What do you think, Bubba? Should we eat him? Should we eat him? You want to eat him?
You got it!
Nope. I missed it. Because I was being silly. Tell Daddy to quit being silly. Will you? So knock it off, Daddy. Quit being silly.
Not the...
Make good choices.
So... Pepsi.
Yes. What is going on?
Have any...
We're gonna go try our luck on this bank for a little bit because it looks different from everything else. Probably throw on a different bait.
I can't.
You don't want them anymore? Can you scoot over?
Kids open present.
Man. Oh, and we got a fish. Oh, stay on, please. Oh, come on. Oh, came off. Oh.
This is...
Come on. Yes. Oh, okay.
Hello?
All right, second one right along this bank. A little bit smaller, but still fun. Ooh, goodness. A little bit better at that second spot. Ended up throwing a crankbait that just did well for us. And you know, the water itself was a little bit warmer than it was earlier. And the water was a little bit dirtier and a little bit warmer. And so that really seemed to make a difference. But we're gonna cruise on back to the bridge and see if we can't find anything else there. So let's get to it. Oh, that's oh, good fish. Come on, stay on. Oh, not that good, but good enough. Golly, man. I don't know how many bites
What's
that
the
is, though.
matter?
Oh, I set my fishing pole up wrong. Gosh, it's a gorgeous fish.